Hey, what's up guys? It's Andrew here from Pennant Players, back with another video. Today we're going to be going over the double bottom pattern. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more if you like this video, and stay tuned. So what is the double bottom pattern? Well, the double bottom pattern is a technical analysis pattern that can predict or estimate the upward movement of a stock or equity. So how do you use this? Well, the double bottom pattern is pretty self-explanatory in that the name really gives it away. So the double bottom pattern essentially means that we see a downward movement and this W shape forming. The key is a W shape forming at two distinct points of bottom. So what I mean by that is here on this example of QLGN, we can see a double bottom here. So we see a downward movement from 534 down to here at 486, and then a upward movement here to 51, and then another downward movement to 486 before a large increase of over 6.6%. And then a dip down, and then another increase here of 7% on top of that after this W shape forming. Well, how do you use this and how do you get in on this action? We're going to want to see a break above this line. So you're going to want to, if you're reading the tape and you see this pattern starting to form where it hits this bottom here, this support line, then goes up, and then it goes down here, you're going to want to say, so you're essentially reading this and you see this now bottoming out here at the same point it did just previously. When are you going to want to take action? You're going to want to take action when it breaks above this point here. When it breaks above that previous resistance here at 5.1. So when it takes this resistance here, this red line, and it breaks above it, we can see that that would be a phenomenal trade. And these double bottoms tend to be very short. So something we like to use them in is day trades, things of that nature where you get in and out quickly. And they tend to not be as reliable as some other technical analysis patterns, however, can be used to make high profits. So that's our brief overview on double bottom patterns. Please be sure to only use them as one indicator, one pattern, in conjunction with all your other indicators and patterns to form a full picture of the price action. So please be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more. This is Andrew from Pennant Players. Stay green, guys.